Hello, mathematicians. Today we are looking at Module 18, Lesson 3, which is all about solving multi-step measurement problems. Hopefully by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to solve a multi-step problem that includes measurement conversions. So we're going to step it out. Brian is used to marinate a turkey before cooking. To make the brine, 16 cups of water are boiled with spices. After boiling, half of the original water is left. Another 3 quarts of water are added before pouring the mixture over the turkey. How many gallons of brine are poured over the turkey? First, find the amount of water that is left after boiling. So we're going to do 16. And then it says that half of the original is left, so that means we need to divide. So we're going to divide it by 2. And 16 divided by 2 is 8 cups. So then it says add the additional 3 quarts of water to the brine. How many quarts of brine are there? Well, we have 8 cups. There are 4 cups in a quart. So that is going to be the 8 cups equals 2 quarts. And then I have to add the 3 quarts. So that is going to equal 5 quarts. So it says convert the number of quarts of brine to the number of gallons. Show your work. Well, there are 4 quarts in a gallon, so we're going to do 5 divided by 4, and we're going to write that as a fraction, so that means we're going to write it as 5 over 4. We're going to simplify that, so we're going to get 1 1/4 gallons. So then it says how many gallons of brine are poured over the turkey. So it would be 1 1/4 gallons. So step it out. Before the turkey is put in the oven, it is tied with twine. A length of 150 centimeters is tied around the body of the turkey. 3 lengths of 160 millimeters each are used to tie the legs together in each of the 2 wings. A new roll of twine has 10 meters of twine. If you use a new roll to tie the turkey, how many meters of twine are left on the roll? So it says, write an expression for the total amount of twine used to tie the turkey. So first we would be adding 150 centimeters plus 160 centimeters plus 160 centimeters plus 160 centimeters, because we have that 3 times. So we need to change this into, except I wrote the wrong label here. These are millimeters. So there are 10 centimeters. There are 10 millimeters in a centimeter. So that means we have 150 centimeters plus 16 centimeters plus 16 centimeters plus 16 centimeters. So if we add that all together, here we get 18, and then we get 9, and then 1. So that equals 198 centimeters. So then it says, write an expression for the amount of twine that remains on the roll. Well, we're going to do 10 meters minus 198 centimeters. But we have to change our centimeters into meters. So that means we're going to do 198 divided by 100, because there are 100 centimeters in a meter. So that would equal 1 98 hundredths meters. So now we have 10 minus 198. So we're going to add my decimal point in here so that I can subtract. This is going to become a 9. This would be a 9. And this would be a 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 9 minus 1 is 8. So we get 8 2/100 meters. And that is all for today's lesson. Hopefully you are now able to solve a multi-step problem that includes measurement conversions. Remember, in order to be a math person, all you have to do is be a person, do math.